Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for eBay seller account, full guide step by step clearly. To start registering for an eBay seller account, visit the eBay homepage. Locate and click on the register button at the top of the page. If you already have an eBay account, simply log in. For new users, fill out the required fields including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password by including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you fill in the required information, click on the Create Account button. You may need to verify your email address to proceed, so check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Now, log in to your new eBay account. Next, navigate to the Selling section on the eBay homepage. Click on the Start Selling button to begin the seller registration process. You will be prompted to provide additional information, such as your contact details and payment information. Enter your phone number for account security and verification purposes. Select how you want to get paid by choosing a payment method, commonly PayPal or direct bank transfer. Fill out the seller information form accurately, as this will be displayed on your listings. Review eBay's policies and guidelines, then agree to their terms and conditions. Once you complete all sections, click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You may be asked to set up a seller account with eBay by completing additional information. After completing all steps, your seller account should be active, allowing you to start listing items for sale. With your account set up, you can now explore eBay's selling tools to enhance your selling experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.